Hey, in this video, I'll share with you how to download and install Glaze App Builder by Raycast. Let's get to it. So on your MacBook Neo or macOS, you need to first go over to Safari or any web browser you got. Then on top in the URL, you need to type in glaze.app, go inside it, and you'll see this download for Mac button right here. Press on it, and it's going to download the .dmg file to your downloads folder. Open it up and go to Finder. Now inside it, let this get completed. Let this get downloaded first. Once done, you can double click it. Then you'll find this pop up. Inside it, you need to drag this Glaze app icon over to applications. So just click it and drag it over to applications like this. Now once it's done, go to apps. Right here, you'll see Glaze app icon. Let's open it up. It's going to give you a pop-up like this. Press on the open button. Now, once it's installed, it's going to show you this. You need to agree to privacy policy, terms and acceptable use. Then you can either send code to your email address or continue with Google or Apple. I'm going to continue with Apple right here. Use your Touch ID to sign in. Go back to Glaze. And that is it. Once you're done, it'll take you over to this My Projects page. On it, you can press on this new project to create a new project. And it's going to show you this prompt bar. Inside it, you can type a prompt to build your Mac app with AI. So all I'm going to do is make a simple app here, create a to-do list app like this. You can describe more here in order to create a better app, like change the colors, add logo and such. For that, you can go over to this plus button, attachment. You can add an attachment from here, like logos, files, etc. Plan, integration, these are OAuth stuff. There's this plan button and add integration as well. So let's just press on this send button. I'll make a separate how to use Glaze app builder as well, but this is just for installation and small process of how it works. And there you go. It created an app in your dock right here and it opened it up. So this is your app that Glaze app builder created. You have all active completed on top. And you can create a new task from here in the bar, add a task, drink water like this, and then press on the add button. And there you go. Now you can also delete this task and I can also mark it done like this. So this is a very simple app and you can use this AI right here in order to add more functionality to it. So you can just command the AI to do it. And if you want to find your app again, you can just go to apps and you'll see this task list right here. You can change the app name and such as well. And each time you create an app, it should take almost like 10 credits. Should be 5 to 10 credits approximately. And you can publish this app as well. But this app that you publish would be on public store. It would not be on App Store, the Apple's App Store. It would not go there. It would be on their public store. And yeah, that's it. If you want a full guide, a full how to use Glaze app builder on MacBook Neo or macOS, it will be available on the right hand side in a playlist. See you there. Bye for now.